Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. This is Yellow Collection ballpoint pen from Tonino Lamborghini, a used product owned by MovinsEdition. Terni ballpoint pen is a product of the famous Tonino Lamborghini brand. Especially, Terni ballpoint pen is famous for its high-end thumb because of its jade body part. Among Tonino Lamborghini brand's ballpoint pens, Yellow Collection is at a high price. Maybe it's because it's jade. As you can see, it's quite thick and heavy, but it's never uncomfortable. It's an expensive ballpoint pen, so I feel good to hold on to it. It adds to Tonino Lamborghini's signature luxury. This item can be used conveniently even if you have a lot of things to use. They use ballpoint pens in a twister. I said it was a second-hand product, but I don't think it's very good for Alex, but I'm not sure how it'll look for anyone else. Oh, and most of the Terni products are red, but you can find out if you search for this product. But it's a rare color and it's a rare item. It's a rare color. It's the ballpoint of the pen. So far, it's working fine, but when you're done using the pen, you can buy a new one and use it. Isn't the ballpoint pen body part cool? If you're writing or if you're using a pen note during a meeting, I think you'll look smarter. But I think we should consider the fact that it stands out. It's self-satisfaction. This product, introduced by MovinsEdition, is a second-hand product and has not been used for a long time. The ballpoint pen is coming out well until now. Alex thinks it would be more comfortable for men to use it than for women. I recommend this pen to anyone who wants to use only high-end ballpoint pens, collect them in collections, or give points with just one pen.